My country brothers and sisters, Papa and Mama, I get good news for you. Make you not put hand for jaw they cry again because you not see money take execute to that business plan where you get it. As Safe Integrated Service Microfinance Cooperative Society, don't come to come out your hand for jaw and clean tears come out from your eyes with all the better loan packages. Which business you don't they do already? Where you need money to take move them to the next level. Make you waka enter Safe Integrated Service Microfinance Cooperative Society. Where they for Alphabet International Plaza for 74 Sokbomba Road before First East Circular Road for Benin City. Make you come see for yourself, sister and brother, where they do buying and selling. Come Safe Integrated Services. Make you come see our affordable loan with a very flexible repayment to planning. Personal regular loan, group regular loan, special loan, small business loan, festival and seasonal loan, supplementary loan, even as they hot loan, quick one a day. Safe Integrated Service Microfinance Cooperative Society, it day for Alphabet International Plaza, 74 Sokbomba Road, beside Rain Oil Filling Station for Benin City. Call us for telephone for 0815-9188-766 or 0803-777-1636. You fit to check out we activities for our website for www.safe.com. Email us for safeintegratedservice@gmail.com.